Let me show you how we can fix this orange or yellow screen issue on OnePlus 15. All you have to do is go to settings, and then we're gonna proceed to display and brightness. In here we have two options and that might be relevant. And the first one is the eye care. In here we have two choices, the eye comfort and sleep, and this custom option for eye protection. So if any of these are enabled, this can be the reason why your screen is so yellow or orange, because as you can see, both of these options actually adjust colors on our screen. And also what is quite important is that we can have a schedule for this eye protection. So you might want to go over here and make sure that the schedule is disabled so that the option will not be re-enabled later on throughout the day. Besides that, one more thing that is worth checking is the screen color mode, because over here we have the screen color temperature, which can be set, for example, to warm, maybe even more so. And as you can probably notice, it slightly changes the color of our screen, so you might want to select the default, or at least make sure that the default option is selected over there. And that's pretty much it. And of course there's this adaptive mode, but it doesn't change that much on the screen, at least not as much as the eye care or the screen color mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.